Can an LLC get health insurance? Yes, an LLC can get health insurance, either for its owners, employees, or both. If the LLC has employees, it can purchase a group health insurance plan, which often provides better coverage options and lower rates than individual plans. For single-member LLCs or small LLCs without employees, the owner can buy individual health insurance. If taxed as an S-corporation or C-corporation, there may also be options to deduct premiums or provide coverage through the business structure. Offering health insurance can make an LLC more attractive to employees, and in some cases, it may be required by law if the business has a certain number of full-time workers. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and connect you with resources for benefits like health insurance. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.